Hi, my name is Lance Anderson. I'm with Anderson Insurance Group, and here at our agency, landlord insurance is one of our passions. As a landlord myself, we talk your language. We understand the coverage that you need to make sure that your investments are properly protected. Let's talk a little bit about the coverage that you need. First of all, you've got the dwelling coverage, the structure, and you want to make sure that you're properly covered. The structure is going to be the roof, the floors, the walls, things of that nature, and you're going to want to make sure that you've got replacement cost coverage, that none of those repairs are going to be depreciated. The next thing you're going to want to make sure is covered is any contents that you might have in the home. So you might have a stove or a fridge, things of that nature in there, and you're going to have a little bit of contents coverage for that. Now, what if your property is damaged by a covered peril? Fire, of course, is one of those covered perils. And what if you have a fire in your property and you cannot rent your home? You want to make sure that you've got some loss of use coverage to make sure that you can make the payment on the house while that home is being rebuilt. Liability coverage is super important. As landlords, it's very important that we've got that liability protection. Now, one thing I do want to emphasize with landlords, I would highly recommend that you require all of your renters to carry a renter's insurance policy with liability coverage as well. Now, that's going to give you an extra layer of liability coverage. Call your agent, talk to your agent. There's certain limitations and exclusions and things like that that apply to every insurance policy. So talk to your agent about those things, but liability coverage is going to be one of the very important things you're going to want to make sure that you have. Now, also to properly protect your policy, you're going to want to make sure that you've got ordinance and law coverage. Ordinance and law pays to rebuild your home to code. The policies that we sell normally include 10% ordinance and law coverage. Very, very important. We also make sure that you've got coverage for damage from a water sewer drain backup. Very important, and more important on older properties. Service line is another coverage that is available on some landlords' forms that's very nice to have. So call us. We'd love to take a look at your landlord insurance. We'd love to be able to help you protect your most valuable. We would love to help you protect your most valuable investment here at Anderson Insurance Group. Thanks for joining us today.